This is Space Race, the biggest interstellar rocket racing event in the galaxy. Every year, the planets of Elon and Bezos build a high-octane rocket of their own. These spacecrafts then race 1 billion miles from a starting line to a parallel finishing line. Since the rockets are designed to accelerate as fast as possible, they must travel along perfectly parallel trajectories, ensuring that there is no chance of collision. Usually, only the planets Elon and Bezos compete, but this year, a third planet named Zuck has unveiled its own rocket to enter into the competition. The space race coordinator is not sure if he can safely allow another ship to compete mere minutes before the race commences. To ensure safety, Zuck's rocket will need to follow a trajectory parallel to those of Elon and Bezos. The coordinator has established that the track for Zuck's rocket is parallel to Bezos's trajectory, but he has not had time to check whether it is also parallel to Elon's trajectory. If AB represents the trajectory of Elon's rocket, CD represents the trajectory of Bezos's rocket, and EF represents the trajectory of Zuck's rocket such that AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, can we show that AB is also parallel to EF? If so, prove how. In previous lessons, we've learned that two lines can be proved parallel to each other if they have a pair of corresponding angles that are equal. In this case, the corresponding angles do not exist yet. So, our first step should be to construct them by drawing a transversal labeled PS, which intersects line AB at point Q, line CD at point R, and line EF at point T. This construction gives us three pairs of corresponding angles. The first one consists of angles PQB and QRD. The second one consists of angles QRD and RTF. And the third one consists of angles PQB and RTF. Given that AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, we can say that angle PQB is equal to angle QRD, and angle QRD is equal to angle RTF. This is in accordance with the corresponding angles axiom, which states whenever two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Since angle PQB as well as angle RTF are both equal to angle QRD, we can conclude that PQB is also equal to RTF. In other words, the third pair of corresponding angles we constructed earlier are also equal to each other. We can now apply the converse of the corresponding angles axiom, which states that whenever two lines like AB and EF are cut by a transversal, like PS, such that a pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. In short, all three trajectories are parallel to each other, or should we say that lines which are parallel to the same line are also parallel to each other. With the race being declared safe, all three rockets run to the finish. For the first time ever, a new competitor has won the competition. The planet Zuck takes home the trophy and is named the galaxy's current technological capital.